tips you've probably never heard of. The 45-degree angle, your flower's best friend. First things first, let's talk about trimming. You might be tempted to skip this step, but trust me, it makes all the difference. When you get your flowers home, grab a pair of sharp scissors or pruning shears. You want a nice, clean cut. Now here's the key. Instead of cutting straight across, angle your cut at 45 degrees. Think of it like you're creating a little spout for your flowers to drink from. And here's another pro tip: trim those stems under running water. This helps prevent air bubbles from getting trapped in the stem, which can block water absorption. See? Easy peasy. Leafless below the waterline. A must for happy hydrangeas, and all flowers. Alright, next up we're going to give those stems a little trim. Now I know it might seem counterintuitive to remove leaves, but trust me on this one. Any leaves that sit below the waterline in your vase are going to start to decompose. And you know what that means? Bacteria. And bacteria, my friends, are not good for flower longevity. They clog up the stems and make it harder for your flowers to drink up all that good water. So take a minute to carefully remove any leaves that will be submerged. Your flowers will thank you. Chapter 3. The Magic Potion. Flower food secrets revealed. Now let's talk about water, the lifeblood of your flowers. Plain old tap water will do the trick, but if you really want to pamper your blooms, we're going to give them a little treat: flower food. You know those little packets that sometimes come with your bouquets? Those are little packets of magic. They contain all sorts of good stuff that helps nourish your flowers and keep them hydrated. But here's a little secret: you can actually make your own flower food right at home. All you need is some sugar, lemon juice, and a tiny dash of bleach. Don't worry, the bleach is just a teeny tiny amount to keep things clean and bacteria-free. I'll give you the exact recipe in the description box below. Shady spot for them to shine. Chapter 5. The Daily Refresh. A little TLC goes a long way. Alright, we're almost at the finish line. Now that you know the basics, here's one last tip to keep those flowers looking their best. Daily refresh. Just like we need fresh water and a little pick-me-up every day, so do our flowers. So every day, take a minute to change the water in your vase. While you're at it, give those stems another little trim, just like we did at the beginning. This will help keep the water flowing and prevent any blockages. And there you have it. 5 simple, easy-to-follow tips to keep your flowers looking fresh and fabulous for longer. Remember, a little love and care goes a long way. Now go out there and create some beautiful arrangements. And don't forget to share your floral creations with me on social media. I love seeing how you style your blooms. Happy flowering. Now you know the secrets florists swear by. Want more floral hacks and home tips? Like, subscribe, and stay bloomin' fabulous.